on.
I'm not even playing. I'm just talking.
Yeah, Max isn't next to me anymore. I had to leave. Okay, so we're still in the wine cellar. Failing pretty bad. Oh my god.
Okay, and the reason we haven't been uploading lately is because Brian has the Fraps account. I don't feel like paying $50. I'm too cheap. I want to buy more video games, and he's been in trouble with his father. Wrong story.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sure. He beat my sister. Not really. Hello, boys, girls, other. Brian's going to be playing Amnesia, and I'm going to be talking, I guess. I'm really sick. Taste blood. Haven't been able to post anything for a while. We were in Florida. Then we had to go home.
Florida.
Since last Tuesday. So I am sorry. We are very sorry. To our 50,000 freaking viewers. They trust us, you know. We don't. We have that many viewers just because we're that. Yeah, we have like 20. Okay.
My guy is gonna lay down on the floor and go crazy. Okay, let's get the heck out of the wine cellar. Because I got the fourth and the ding jig.
La 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 la.
Okay.
Are you still in the wine?
No, I just got out of the wine cellar. The cloth smelled of dusk, deep dusk. The pieces lay scrambled. Too many of them, he thought. Or perhaps too few. Loading, 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 loading. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck, what the heck, what the heck. Oh my god, the darkness, the darkness. Ow! Ow, 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 ow.
Is your sanity really low or some crap?
No, I'm crystal clear, which is amazing. Okay, I've got the 4 things, so let's go to mementos.
What's the lowest thing you can have? Like the lowest
I don't know.
brain rot?
Okay, powerful acid is what I need. Tinder. Oil. Thank the Lord, I found some oil.
Tomorrow's Easter.
Jump. Oh yeah, tomorrow is Easter, huh?
The Easter bunny gonna come here.
So,
I told my sister
is
that the
this the way
Easter
to the laboratory?
He lives at the top of Mount Everest, and it's like the 170 degree spot anywhere she lives. It's a laboratory.
Where is the laboratory?
On Mount Everest.
Where is the laboratory?
Oh crap, I just chopped
The laboratory.
I'm gonna see how my new mouse works. I was using one of those like older ones, and now I have a sensor. I was using one of those old ones because I broke my other one along with the headphones and raging from MW3. And I'm so sick.
So, we are back in this room. The laboratory. What is that noise? Dude, I hate the noise in this game. The music's scary.
I'm gonna go to my grandparents tomorrow, and since he can host, we'll probably be posting another Terraria or 2.
Oh, wonderful! Okay. Out of mine. I solved a puzzle! Oh my god. 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 Okay. Don't panic, dude. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic.
Did anyone notice? Did anyone try to like actually counting how many times Brian's been scared in his first Amnesia video that he had? I think he said like 11 times. So scared. I am so scared.
Shut up! Ah! I got acid! Woohoo!
Really? I can't find a stupid free for all still? I'm playing Battlefield 3. The Xbox. I got Battlefield 3 on the Xbox on my computer. I used them on the computer, but ever since I installed Windows 7, it just freaking kept.
What the heck?
Kept.
Keep
Oh,
your
my
chest.
phone is screen and kept like freezing. I couldn't get in a game match, so I just bought it for Xbox. Cause I'm filthy rich. Not really. I just have filthy GameStop cards.
Find a way to climb back up. Okay, let's find a box, cause that jump looks easy to make.
The box we spawned will they realize. Well, I'm looking for a demolition match. I didn't even know. Yo, I sound really nasally, just even to myself. I'm not saying something. Don't
Okay, there's a box. And there's
wow.
Oh, it worked! I'm pro. Wait. Oh, no, it's gone. Yay.
Ouch. That burns pretty bad.
Oh, I forgot to read it. It became impossible to avoid commotion in the streets, but the French soldiers fired their voices.
Wow.
Okay, now I've got. Okay, that's my imagination. Let's go.
I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, we're about to complete another puzzle.
Whoa.
My cousin. The refinery.
You have 3 kills.
To Gibraltar, having reached British territory, which is a matter of reserving a cabin on SS NESIA headed for London.
3-shot kill.
OMG. Okay, let's use 1 oil here.
Let's go all Kimbo. These things actually are not that overpowered, but they're really fun to use.
It sure is dark.
245 Kimbos.
Yes,
They
and
knife
there's a
fast
good reason
and
for it.
nice,
But you can light the lamp now
Feels like
if you
it.
wish.
You guys are probably wondering why I'm not freaking out,
The
huh?
darkness, that is.
Because this part
Stay
was in the
close. Be careful not to
Oh,
stray.
are you in the water?
What's the
part?
reason? Why is it so dark?
No, I'm in the
Pay
part where you get
attention,
into the water.
Dandel. It's important that you keep going straight and make sure not to stray.
You guys probably wonder about freaking out for once. Well, I played this in the demo. That explains it all.
Whoa.
Pretty much what you're saying. I'm a wimp, and I know it.
My guy is freaking out.
Hey, get now.
Okay, I'm not gonna get scared because I know there's a bad guy over here. And let's walk in and get really scared.
Really? Getting on. I don't even have a positive KD. I'm gonna get shot at, bro. Oh, found you. Yeah! Booyah, 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 booyah. I'm gonna beat this guy. You guys can probably hear him. Just give my throwing knife out of your body back. Booyah! Fail miss.
Look at that! Tender. If I can ever reach it, tender. Should I be using my lantern this much? Post in the comments, because I'm not sure.
About what?
What in good gosh name just happened? If I'm using the lantern too much. Tinder! Yes.
Oh, you don't move. I'm gonna cross map throwing knife, sucker. I'm not gonna win this match because I don't play.
What is this?
22nd of June.
Okay, read the note, read the note.
It's been more than a month since my
It's
last
been more
day.
than a month since my
After
last
the event inside the underground chamber in Algeria, Professor Herbert insisted I return to England.
No one losing this
He
fight.
said he
Shut up.
didn't want to
Trying
risk
use my ear
forfeiting the
headphones.
entire
I hear
expedition,
people, but
lest
you're like